Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, my name is Sasha. If you guys have been around for a while, you guys know it's been way too long since the last time I've been here, but I've missed you guys so much and I cannot wait to get into this video. I have so much new content coming out for you guys and I'm just so excited to be back. I know the first video you guys were probably expecting me to do a little SAS sale, but I'm actually going to have that video coming next, so stay tuned. Today I'm gonna bless you guys with a little everyday makeup tutorial. So this is how I've been pretty much wearing my makeup every single day. I mean, with the exception of like going out, but just as like my everyday look. I can go out and pair this I can pair this look with any lip color, so it's perfect. If you guys are interested in seeing more, just continue to watch. Come on! I'm going to start off with brows. I'm going to be using my favorite, which is Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Dark Brown. I'm just going to go ahead and brush out my brows and then just apply this lightly. I've noticed over the years it's just starting to become a chore to do my brows. Let me know in the comments below if you agree that you feel like doing your brows is a whole chore, but it is so necessary. It makes all of the difference, and if I'm being honest, I kind of just want to get microblading done, but I'm so afraid that somebody's gonna like jack up my brows. So I'm going to clean up these brows using my favorite brush from the Real Techniques lip kit. It's like a lip set, but it cleans those brows perfect. So I use it for that. And the concealer that I'm using is going to be the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Tan Deep Sand. For so long I was wearing Tan Sand, but I've recently really been liking Tan Deep Sand. So, brows are done. I'm going to be using the Cover FX Blurring Primer to prime my face. If you guys have been around, again, you know I love this primer. Fun fact, some of you guys might already know this, but if you guys don't and you're new, I was actually part of the campaign for this blurring primer with Cover FX. It was one of the best experiences of my life. I met so many amazing people and I just created these lifelong relationships and friendships with these people, and I'm just forever thankful. So yeah, I have like a little special place in my heart for this blurring primer, on top of the fact that it is fire AF. Honestly, just wearing it solo is a total vibe. Look at that skin, girl. So next I'm going to be doing skin. Let's talk a second about these Real Technique brushes. Girl, I always have loved me some Real Technique brushes, but lately they've been coming out with these blushed brushes, and oh my god, there are some fire brushes. So if you guys haven't tried them out, definitely try out the new Real Technique brushes. They are freaking fire. Now for foundation, I'm going to be using the Too Faced Born This Way Undetectable Medium to Full Coverage Foundation. This is oil free, which is really nice, and the coverage is good. The shade is Caramel, but I do have to say that I do not think that this shade is flattering on me during the summer months, just because I warm up so much. And I had to go ahead and add a little bit of the Pro Concealer from LA Girl in the color Fawn, just to give me a little bit more warmth. I know right now you can kind of like see the difference between my actual like neck area and my face, but once I conceal and do all of that, everything will blend perfectly. Now I'm really loving this double-sided foundation brush that I'm using. It has one side that's good to apply foundation all over, and then it has another side that's good to get in there, you know, if you need to do some details like in the eye or pat out anything. And then afterwards I go in and use another brush to kind of blend everything out, because the hairs on it are different and I just feel like it makes it look absolutely flawless, those two brushes together. So I'm going to go back in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Tan Deep Sand, and I'm just going to go ahead and highlight underneath my eyes and my Cupid's bow, and then I'm going to take the very much needing to be replaced ColourPop Concealer in the color Deep Dark 56, and I'm just going to contour in the basic areas like my nose, around my forehead, you know, under my jawline, just my cheekbones and all that good stuff. You just want to get a good contour. And I really love love, love, love this Morphe brush for contouring just because it has that really straight edge and it just gets in there so nicely. I absolutely love it. Honey, let me tell you, a good contour of the nose can have you looking all types of slayed. Like, I just love a good contour, girl. Just love a good contour. So I'm going to be using the Expert Face Brush from Real Techniques again to go ahead and blend out that contour. I really have been loving this brush because it's so... I mean, I hate to say it's dense because it's not really dense, but it's not really fluffy either. It's just like that perfect medium to blend it out and still have it looking flawless. Baby girl, baby boy, what are you doing if you do not have the Milani beauty sponge? Like, it is so fire. It comes with a little mini sponge in there too, which I cannot find, and I'm so sad about it. I'm just gonna have to go buy another one. But these sponges are fire. Like, Beauty Blender who? I mean, just so good. Better than the Real Techniques ones as well. I know some of you guys like those. I do as well. But these ones are fire. If you have not tried the Milani beauty sponges, what are you doing with your life, girl? Get up, go to the store, and go buy yourself a 1, 2, maybe 3, because they are so fire and so affordable. I just love the texture, and look at that blend. Oh my god, it just blends out so good. They're so soft, and I just can't stop ranting and raving about these sponges. I'm so happy that I finally decided to go with the darker shade Tan Deep Sand instead of what I usually use, which is Tan Sand. It looks so much better, and I'm just happy that I made the switch because it just looks flawless. So I'm just going to clean up a little bit of my contour again, and then I'm going to go in with the Beauty Bakery Setting Flower in the color Castanova so that I can go ahead and set underneath my eyes and all the areas that I applied the concealer. So I personally prefer to use a brush when setting my concealer. It just looks a lot better, and girl, it doesn't look all dry or anything like that. I really love the e.l.f. blush brush for this. It is just perfect. Like, it's the right amount of fluffy and flimsy. It's just so good. It's so good. So cheap. So good. Beauty Bakery Setting Flower never steers me wrong. It's always so soft and lightweight and just flawless. It's not ashy or cakey or anything like that. It really is just the perfect setting powder. So for contour, I'm going in with my new fave, which is from Hip Dot. They send me over some stuff, which I've been super excited about, and I'll be sharing with you guys soon. If you guys follow me on Instagram at IamSashaFierce411, you guys have already seen all of the goodies that they send me over. But this is the Sun Goddess palette. It has 6 shades in here. I honestly love all of the shades in the palette and have used all of them, but my favorite is Heat. I've been using it lately to contour, and she is that girl, okay? Like, she's a runner, she's a track star, she keeps up with all of challenges that the heat has been throwing at me. It just blends so well, and it looks fire because, girl, in the summer months, I already get a little warm, and contours can look super red, so I've really been loving this contour. It's really nice. If you haven't had a chance to try them out, I definitely recommend it. Now, this next step is totally not necessary, but I'm extra, so I do what I do, and that's my business, boo. So I'm going to be setting this with the powder. I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way multi-use complexion powder in the color Warm Sand. Now, I like to go ahead and have a little bronzy moment, especially because it's summer, so I'm going to be using one of my favorite products from Cover FX. This is a monochromatic bronzer duo. This is in the shade Suntan Bronze, and I'm just going to be using that bronzier side to go ahead and bronze up my face. Now, depending on the occasion, I'm usually satisfied with just the bronzer, but today I'm going to go ahead and give myself an extra glow. It's just nice and hot outside. It's summer, and it just looks so beautiful. I'm going to be using the Maybelline New York Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in the color 100 Molten Gold. I really love this stuff. You can find her at a drugstore near you. Before I apply any liner or mascara, I'm going to go and curl my lashes just so they blend well. And for liner, I'm going to be using my favorite, which is the NYX Cosmetics Matte Liquid Liner. It has such a great brush. It's so black, and it dries down matte, which I love. Now, depending on what type of lash I'm wearing is really going to determine whether I'm going to be applying the liner or not. It's not necessary, especially for the daytime. If I'm wearing a lash like She Cute, which is a 25mm, it's a larger lash, I'm definitely going to apply liner. It doesn't necessarily need to be a wing liner just to add some depth in the lash line. But if I'm going to be wearing something like Boy Bye, which is a more like subtle lash, I don't need the liner. Now for mascara, I'm going to be using the Hip Dot Thick and Thin Mascara. I've really been enjoying this mascara. Of course, it has the thick side for the top lash, and then it has the thinner side for the bottom lash, and like to get into the inner tear duct area. It makes it so easy, and I've really just been enjoying this formula. I want to give a special thank you to the Hip Dot team for always supporting me and always including your girl. I really appreciate it, and I love you guys and the products that you guys send over. You guys, I'm so excited to let you guys know that Slay Me Beauty lashes are available now. I know I've been saying it for so long that I was going to launch my lash line, and I finally did it. I'm so proud of myself, and I just hope you guys enjoy and want to support. If you guys do, head over to slaymebeauty.com. You guys can select from a number of lashes. I have 25mm, 20, and 18mm. Now I'm going to be using one of my favorite styles from the 18mm collection, which is really subtle everyday lash, and this is in the style Boy Bye. These lashes are so fire, and they're lightweight. You can use these lashes up to 25 times. You can get more than 25 uses out of these lashes so long as you're like taking good care of them, but these lashes are definitely worth it. It's literally less than $1 a wear. So if you want to go ahead and try them out, I would recommend going to slaymebeauty.com. I'm running a special right now. It's a flash sale. All the lashes are $12.99. I'm not sure how long it'll last, so get over there as quickly as possible. Now, as you can see, I went ahead and measured the lash so I can cut it to fit my eye shape. Everybody's eye shape is different, so you may have to do this as well, or it just might fit you straight out of the box. But I recommend cutting the outer of the lash because it's shorter in the inside like your natural lashes. So just go ahead and do that. I'm going to apply some dual lash glue and let this dry for a little bit or get tacky. In the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and apply some lips. I've really been going between the NYX Lingerie Double XL, the new liquid lipsticks that they have out right now. I've been absolutely loving them, and this shade in particular is one of my favorites. It's called Low Cut, and the formula is just really great. The applicator is amazing, and the shades that they offer are really nice. I've always been a big fan of NYX liquid lipsticks. If you guys have been like with me from the beginning, you guys know I did a whole swatch video on them, like the first ones. But I've really just been loving the formula, and they're everything. They feel so comfortable, nice, they're long lasting, and oh yeah, and you can't forget affordable, super affordable. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you how easy it is to apply these lashes. The band on these are absolutely amazing, so comfortable, flexible, and strong. I really love them. I could have let the glue dry down just a little bit longer, but it's okay, it'll work. I love them so much. Let me know down in the comment box below what your favorite lash is from my new line. I'm like so excited. I can't believe I actually launched lashes, you guys. It's so amazing. You guys know how much I love lashes, so it was just a must. Look at her slay. Yes, I've really been rocking this look on a daily, with the exception of changing out my lip colors because every lip shade goes with this look, and I've really been enjoying a juicy glossy lip. Right now I'm wearing Juicy lip gloss from ColourPop. I almost went for a brain fart. I couldn't think about it. I love this lip gloss. It's plumping and it smells so good, and it's so beautiful in color. I wear it by itself and I love it. I've also been really liking the Maybelline Lifter gloss. It's a hyaluronic acid lip gloss, and they come in so many cute shades. My personal favorite is 5 Petal. Oh my god, try it out if you haven't been in love with a good old lip gloss. You guys know I'm a matte girl, but for some reason the glosses have been like serving looks for me. I'm so excited. I can't believe I actually filmed a video for you guys. It's been so long and I've missed you guys so much. I thank you guys so much for sticking by me, being patient, checking on me, making sure that I was okay. I have had a lot of stuff going on last few months, which is the reason why I haven't really been on here, but I'm back and I'm feeling better than ever, and I'm just so excited for all the new content I have coming out for you guys, and it's just so exciting. So I did want to thank you guys for just being patient with me, sticking by me, and supporting me through the little hiatus that I went on. And I just wanted to let you guys know that I love you and share some, you know, stuff with you, like my everyday look. I've been rocking this look pretty much every day. It's been my little go-to, with the exception of like adding some eyeshadow or a different lip color or whatever the case may be. But I love this look because you can pair it, like I said, with any lip color and you are just ready to slay the day. Now, if you guys haven't had the opportunity to check out my lashes at slaymebeauty.com, make sure you guys do. Right now I am running a sale. All the lashes are $12.99 on the site. That's including the 25 mm's, 20 mm's, and 18 mm's. I have so many lash styles to choose from, so you guys go ahead and check them out at slaymebeauty.com. I will go ahead and put my link down in the description box below to my website. Again, it is slaymebeauty.com. I'll put it right here, and you guys can get on there, and at checkout the lashes will be $12.99. So when you first add them to your cart, you're gonna see them at regular price, but when you guys go to checkout, the price will adjust for you guys. I am doing this sale. I'm probably gonna keep it until Friday, see how it goes, maybe Sunday, I'm not really sure, but you guys try to check it out, because again, it is a flash sale, so it can disappear at any time. The style again that I'm going to be wearing, or that I am wearing right now, if you guys are interested in checking it out, is Boy Bye. These are from the 18 mm collection, and I'm just so excited to be sharing all of these lashes with you guys, and I love you guys. I hope you guys like them. I hope you guys enjoy the website. Let me know what you guys think, and until next time, I hope to see you guys. I love you. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this video with somebody who might find it useful, and I will see all of you guys in my next video. Bye, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, feel free to check out some of my other videos. Also, follow me on Instagram at IamSashaFierce411.